Hey everyone, this is Madison. I'm one of the pips here. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cute little neoprene tulle bow with a clip on the back. All right, so you're gonna wanna start with a piece of neoprene. This is 5 inches wide and 20 inches long. And you're gonna wanna take and measure it and fold it every 5 inches or so until you get to there. So fold it 3 times and make sure you leave one 5-inch section out. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna take your tool. It's also 5 inches wide and 20 inches long. And you're gonna wanna take it, and with the tool, you're gonna wanna take and do sections of 4 inches and just keep folding it. And you're not gonna wanna leave an extra piece on this side. You're just gonna wanna fold it this way. You're gonna turn it sideways and take it and put it directly in the center of your neoprene. And you're gonna want to hand stitch, let me pick up the needle. You're gonna wanna hand stitch in the center. Leaving like, a few gaps. It doesn't have to be like a tight stitch. And when you get to the end, you're gonna wanna cut the string. And now I'm gonna take and tie it, like pull it around the back. You're gonna pull like this to kind of make it cinched up. And at this point, you kind of just loop it around. Get it how you want it. Flip it over and then tie the front of your string to the back piece. Then you're going to want to trim the loose strings and then turn it around to the front. Kind of make sure it's how you want it and it's in the center. And then you're going to take this back extra piece of fabric and kind of fold it up and start wrapping it around. You're going to want to leave your finger right there so you have a hole to loop it back through to tie it. It's a little tricky because neoprene is so thick, but it still works in the end, So it's going to look kind of like that. And then if you want your center to be like smaller, just pull it tighter, and the tighter that it gets, the smaller your center will be. You just kind of have to mess with it and get it to look how you want it to look. Okay, and then once you got it where you want it, you're gonna wanna trim off the majority of this back piece right here, just so it's a little shorter so you can put your clip in it. So you're gonna take your clip and you're gonna put it through right underneath where you tied it. And that is where that's gonna go. And then, and I'm gonna take it and pull it a little tighter. That's why we left a little bit out. And then I'm going to take the hot glue gun and put it underneath so the clip stays and the knot stays in place. And then I'm going to just take and trim off the rest of this little tail of fabric. And then you're gonna flip it back around to the front, and you're gonna wanna fluff these tool edges out right here to give them a little bit more dimension. so they're not so flat and not really sticking to the neoprene so much. And that is it. You got yourself a neoprene and tulle bow with a clip. And the products that I used in this video will be linked in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more crafting videos. We also post on TikTok and Pinterest as well, so those will be linked below too. Y'all have a good day.